Hello students, good morning. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about a very important topic of your writing section, and this is advertisement. Okay? Dear students, as you know, it contains 4 marks in board examination of class 12th. Okay? Dear students, the marking scheme for this question is 1 to 1. Means 1 marks for format, 2 marks for content and 1 marks for expression. Okay? Dear students, you have to prepare this topic, and this is very important topic of your English writing section. Okay? Dear students, I would like to tell you some main points about advertisement. Dear students, an advertisement is a medium to give information or publicize goods or products. Also, we can say that it is an announcement. This is an announcement for the maximum number of people to read and understand. Okay? Dear students, an advertisement is also a public communication about causes, goods and services, organizations, ideas, people and places through means such as direct mail, telephone, print media, newspapers and magazines. Okay? And the one thing is very important, that your advertisement should be very brief. You have to give a brief description of the products. Okay? And you should also mention contact address, phone number, email. Okay? And as you know, advertisement, there are 2 kinds of advertisement: classified and commercial. Okay? Dear students, classified advertisement, it is very brief and to the point. It should be very brief and to the point. But in commercial advertisement, it is larger than classified, and it is more attractive than classified advertisement. Okay? Here we use catchy slogans, punchlines, witty expression, okay, arts, image, pictures, diagrams, sketches. Okay? Effective. We make commercial advertisement very effective, systematic. Okay? And classified advertisement, dear students, this is very important for your board examination. Okay? Only classified advertisements asked in your question paper. Okay? Dear students, the main points I want to tell you, when you are going to write, when you are going to draft classified advertisement, you should remember. Okay? It means they are categorized into columns according to different classes. Okay? And they are always brief and having less space. Okay? Economical, and always written in short phrases and words. Okay? Means I want to tell you that your language should be simple and concise, factual, formal language. Okay? Means such a way that they attract the readers. You have to draft classified advertisement that they attract the readers. Okay? And it should be meaningful, interesting, attract the attention of the readers. Okay? Always simple and effective language, brief and to the point. Okay? And the name of the advertiser and advertised products, service, all the things should be properly highlighted. Okay. So after that, I would like to tell you how many types of classified advertisement. There are main 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are main 9 types of classified advertisements. Okay. First one is situation vacant or situation wanted. These types of questions asked in your question paper. There are so many types of classified advertisement, but these types of classified advertisement generally asked in your question paper. Okay, so that's why I am going to discuss about these types of advertisement. First one is advertisement for situation vacant or wanted, sale and purchase like property, vehicles, households, office, plot, flat. Okay, and next is to let, missing, lost and found, tours and travels, matrimonials, appeal, and educational. Okay, dear students, these are very important for your board examination. So you have to prepare all the things very systematically. You have to write, you have to draft classified advertisement, one advertisement per week, and you have to practice. Okay, so I have told you several times about situation vacant, sale and purchase, to let, missing, lost and found, tours and travels, and today I am going to tell you about matrimonial. I will tell you all the classified advertisement, don't worry, but today I am going to tell you about matrimonial. Okay, so let's discuss, let's know how to write advertisement for matrimonial. Okay students, dear students, at first you note the question. This is a question for practice. You are looking for a suitable match for your handsome son, brother. Okay, well settled in family business. He is well settled in family business. Draft an advertisement for publication in a national newspaper. Okay, so this is a question for practice. Okay, at first all the students note down the question, and after that I will tell you how to write advertisement for matrimonial. Okay, dear students, at first we write the heading. This is a heading, bride wanted. At first we mention heading. Okay, after that details. This is a personal details. Okay, and after that preference and details. After that contact details. Okay, with email. It should be highlighted, contact number and bride wanted. Heading, preference and contact details. It should be highlighted. Okay students, here you can see you are looking for a suitable match for your handsome son, well settled in family business. You are searching, you are looking for, you are seeking whom a suitable match for your handsome son. It means you are searching a bride, okay, for your son, for your brother, and your brother or your son, he is well settled in family business, okay, there is no any problem, economical problem, okay. So now you have to draft an advertisement for publication. You have to give an advertisement in a newspaper, a national newspaper. So at first we mention heading, bride wanted, okay, bride wanted. It should be in box, within box. Advertisement, notice, poster and invitation, okay, it should be in a box. You have to draw, you have to make a box and you have to write your contents in the box, okay. It is considered as format, okay. Bride wanted, beautiful match for handsome Kesarwani boy, Jaiswal boy, Brahman boy, Agrawal boy, Srivastava boy. Means you have to mention your caste, Kesarwani boy, Agrawal boy, Brahman boy, Thakur family boy, okay. After that, age, what is the age of your son or brother? 28 years old. The age is 28 years and the height is 5 feet 8 inch. And educational qualification is PGDM, okay. Postgraduate diploma in management, PGDM, MBA, okay. After that you have to mention what he is doing own business. Your son, your brother doing own business. Where? In New Delhi. And what is the income? Income 25 lakhs per annum. Per year 25 lakhs. Okay. Also you have to mention the kind of business, the business, where the business is going on and what is the income, 25 lakhs per annum, and seeking educated, and you are seeking, you are searching, you are looking for an educated girl, educated and reputed family girl, okay. And after that you have to mention your contact number and email, okay, contact number and email, okay students. So these types of questions asked in your question paper and you have to attempt smoothly without any problem, okay. So I have told you a practice question about matrimonial and you have to practice these types of questions at home and you send me how you are going to write. You send me, you tell me how you wrote, okay. So dear students, Thank you very much. Bye bye.